Okay, guys, today I'm not going to talk about many things. I'm going to talk about my missed trades. My missed trade, my missed trade. These four ones were the best one that I missed this week. So let me start with the euro pound. Euro pound, where was my entry? Okay, I have entries around these areas from here. This inflation point, you can see how this. Let me go on 15 minutes so that you can see. Okay, you will take it here, maybe after the break, around this area. You set it for reduce the risky around 12% for to if you hold up to the above, it depends, but this is the entry. You can hold it up to here for 3%. Okay, then we have another entry here. Yeah, look at how it formed at an inflation point of this. So it was reasonable, and we end up with like, let me see, let me put the stop loss to 10. End up with almost 2%. Okay, for the purpose of going on account, this is not a bad percent. So I'm just this is a random, just this is a random pair. Before I go to the my exact, look at this one. We have this two touch. We failed to break. Let me go on for hour. Look, we failed to reach this low. Then after failing to reach this low, we are waiting for a continuation up here to show us we are moving up. And look at how the price came up to this area and started giving us this structure. Look at how it was on 1 hour. It was a two touch. Yes, we have the first one, the second one, and look at this one. On the second touch, we have the retrace candle. This was one of the beautiful thing. We have this retrace candle, and you can see that we retraced it up to 50%. We retraced 50% of this one. 50%. So if you enter there with stop loss of 12%, you could end up with 4%. Either ways, you end up with 4%. It depends on how you enter here. Let me see if we have any 15-minute entry. 15-minute entry. Okay. There. Maybe you could take it after this continuation, but this one is more tough continuation. So I would advise you. For me, the entry was after this retrace. After this retrace, you could hold it. Hold it. You can see that it was just a messy around here. So this was one of my entry, my trade on this weekend. It was on Friday, 7 o'clock. So my another, before I come to gold, let me finish with this one. With the Ether, you can see that we had the first continuation, then we move up. Okay, we have the second continuation. All this time we know that we had chances of coming up to this high. So okay, this one commits again, but fails to break again. It retraces. Then after retracing, you can see it is retracing on this on this one. So we are more like waiting for maybe two touch. We are waiting for something like this to commit, maybe something like this, uh, this, and then here this. But we failed to get this one. We got this. So what were the chances here of making? If you come to the 15 minutes, you can see that we have this entry here. Okay, we have the entry here, we have the entry here. And if you, on this 15 minutes, you can see that this was like a continuation that failed. It was like a continuation that people were expecting the price to break and commit to the law, but it fails to do so. It failed to do so, and it's committed to the high. So after failing of this continuation, we knew that right now the chances we are going up. So after getting this one, you could take it here on 5 minutes. If I get on 5 minutes, let me see, you can see, uh, take it here, but not like perfect one. So this one was a good one, although it's also not a perfect one, but you could take it either ways. Maybe you take it on 15%, and you could end up with almost 9%. If you are very aggressive, we end up with 10%. If you are very aggressive. Um, so let's say it was a 10%. This one. So until now, I already showed you like 20% of this trade without touching on gold. Let me finish with the gold. Okay, of course, this one was a mislead trade for me, and this one was one of my best trades that I take. I will take, and I can't miss this one. This one are the beautiful ones. Missing this one was a sin. So I missed it, and I regret missing this one. But all in all, trading is a game. You can't be perfect all the time. You're not a robot. You can't take all the trades all the time. You'll be missing some of them. But this one I missed it due to my laziness. That is why I am blaming myself. Okay, guys. So on this pair, what I was waiting was, okay. I make this one first move. I came back up. I Okay, I was waiting for this one. I wanted to see the price committing to this low here. I wanted to see the price coming to retrace this low before pushing up. So I was waiting for this. After we failed here, we I was expecting that we could come to touch this low, and then we move up. So this is what I was waiting, but we didn't get this one. So if we didn't get this one, what was another way to take this trade? The other way to take this trade was this one, because we failed to do this the first scenario of things to touch this low of, and the second case what I was waiting was to see the price retracing this low. We also failed to do this thing. We also failed to do this. So if I could have this retrace here, this could be one of that my best entry, because I could have this, and I could have a candle, another candle which shows the 15% retrace, you see. And then this one could be my perfect one. But this one it was not my perfect one, but the best. Set up the best entry. You can see that it was as I showed you all on 15 minutes here. The title flag like this. So the only way you could take it was after this 50% retrace. As you can see here, we had this one. Let's see if we had even 50% retrace here. Okay, we have. You can see that this is the full candle. We almost 50, but it's not that perfect. You can see all the others that this one failed to give 50%. Then only this one gave us 50%. Give us 50% retrace in the bricks above. So this one I set here. If you missed it to take it here with the 50%, then you could take it above here, maybe after the break of this candle. You take it maybe for okay for here I set my for almost 10%. You take it for 10%. Let me see if there are chances of being taken out. There was no chances. So once it's committed, this was beautiful. Once you reach here, you could adjust your stop process to break even. As you can see, let me see if we had only 1% up to this here. You already 2%. So okay, this was you can't be in 2%. Then you be taken out again for almost zero or to break even. That would be criminal. That would be a criminal thing. So yeah, that was this trade. Okay, someone could miss you this one and set you an entry here on the on the break. So the disadvantage of this one would be you would have to set a bigger stop loss. But either ways, you could end up also with 80%, 80%. But you in this case you have the biggest stop loss. For me, I could set it to almost even 20%. So just in cases we retrace or what, or or if that is not bad, you could set it also for 15. It depends on how you see. So after the break, you set it after the break here. You want to be in. Let me see if there was entries on 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes on 5. There was no entry for me. There was no entry for me. So I could stick with this one only on 5. So on this one, let me see on this one if we had entries. Of course, people said if that we have entries, but I see no entry for me on this structure. Even on 5, I see no entries. So this was one of my trades that I missed, and I regret missing one because it's one of the perfect that I was waiting for a very very long time. A very very long time I was waiting for this one. So missing it was painful for me, but it is okay because you're going to have another entries. We are going to have another trades. Yeah. So guys, this was it for today. This was it for today, and I have to remind you that you have a missed gap here on gold. So make sure you are very attentive watching this gold. So once we break here, we are going to have to we'll be talking another stories, and if we fail to break there and we come down, then we are going to be talking another stories. So you have to be careful with it, guys, and see you on my next video. Thank you, guys.